Hello and welcome to this quick unboxing, guys. I'm doing of the Anker Power Port 5. This consists of 5 power ports which you can then charge multiple devices with. Opening up the box, you see two things set up right here. Just got this today, so here's that. Here is the power brick in itself. I think it's coated with some sort of plasticky thing that usually severs your fingers, but this doesn't seem to be too hard. So here's the charging port itself, and here is the power port, and that's pretty much it, not much else inside the box. Let me just quickly check. Yep, there's nothing else. Wait, what's here? So this is some sort of guarantee, charge your phone, not happy, warranty card. This is the power port. I have a 3-pin cable because I live somewhere where they use 3 pins. Here is the port itself. It has a very soft touch feel to it, and here are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports. I will be doing a simultaneous charge and show you how fast it charges each one of these devices. Stay tuned for that, and after that I'll just conclude the video. Alright guys, so now as you can see, I've plugged in the Anker into these 5 devices. 2 of these are tablets and of course 3 of these are smartphones. All of them are plugged and they are charging at full capacity. So let's just see how that looks. Charging. This says charging, and this says charging at 19%. So all these devices are charging as per how it is indicated at full capacity, and they are not charging slowly. The devices are supporting them quite well, to be honest, actually. And this shows you the raw power that this device boasts. Now when I touch it, it is getting a little bit hot, but this is of course expected if you're charging 5 devices up simultaneously. Of course it will charge devices such as these, which are the Moto 360, and it takes another micro USB port, so no worries there, you can use that. It will charge up, and yeah, that's basically been it of my review of the Anker Power Port 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.